The page dimensions section in GridMaker is where you set the dimensions for your canvas and also the margins. So right now we have 10 inches wide by 8 inches tall at 300 pixels per inch. You can change that to whatever you want. So for instance, if I wanted to do a vertical 8 by 10, I would just put 8 by 10 there. And you're not bound to any standard sizes either. You can literally make this whatever you want. So now I'm 20 inches wide and 10 inches tall. If you hit reset layout, it is going to reset your margins to 5% of the longest image dimension. If you hit reset all settings, it will reset this back to 8 by 10 with 1/2 inch margins. You can go in and set your margins to whatever you want. So you wanted 2 inches on the top, so you can have some space for any graphics you want to add to this after you save the design. And you can set these margins all independently. And you can set these up to, it's actually 3 decimal places here. So if you wanted exactly like 7/8 of an inch, you put in 0.875 or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Also, with these margins, you can set these by clicking on your margins and then moving those with the mouse. And when you use the mouse to move it, these go in exactly 1/8 inch increments. They snap to the nearest 1/8 inch. But if you're typing it in manually, you can type in to within 1/1000th of an inch. So it makes it easier with the snapping, because usually you want your margins to be nice even numbers here, so 0.5 inches all the way around. And if you're adjusting this with the mouse, it's handy to have this user interface up just so you can see what the margins are doing. Also with your margins, if you come in here with the mouse near the corner where you have your crosshairs, if you double click that, oops, it's not working there. Okay, if you double click that, it should snap it to center, left and right, top and bottom. So you can see we have the same margins now, left, right, top and bottom. That's about it for this.